Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen again. To prevent frogs and toads from becoming regular pests on your property, carry out IPM strategies to make your yard less conducive to their activity. First, turn off any undesired outdoor lighting when night falls. Lights attract bugs, which in turn will attract frogs and toads to the area as well. Since frogs and toads like to live in moist areas, do what you can to reduce your yard's moisture to reasonable levels. If you keep man-made sources of standing water like bird baths, drain them whenever they're not in use. You can also aerate your lawn by raking out leaves and thatch. This not only encourages proper drainage, but will also address some hiding spots that frogs or toads may use. Continue to improve your lawn by mowing and cutting down tall grass and weeds that frogs or toads can hide in as well. Once the frog or toad activity on your lawn has decreased, reinforce your fence perimeters with screens or copper mesh. This will ensure that pests from outside your lawn are more likely to stay out. Finally, continue to apply Bifin LP and Reclaim IT to keep insects off your lawn. You can also apply Reclaim IT with a pump sprayer to spray around light fixtures and windows to keep insects away from the light that attracts them. Bifin and Reclaim both have residuals of around 90 days, so we recommend you apply quarterly for year-round protection.